Hey, what is going on, guys? So you already uploaded the video and you already have views on it and likes on it, and you notice like you want to do some minor editing, okay? So maybe you want to trim the video, or maybe there's some parts that you want to cut out, but you don't want to lose your views or your likes. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very, very simple, okay? So for example, really fast, this video down here with the Galaxy S10 4K, this video was at 8 minutes and 45 seconds. It's already public. I already got some views. I got some likes. And then the next day I realized that there was an error like in the video. I had 15 seconds basically where it was just completely black. So I wanted to be able to edit this video and not make a whole new video. I wanted to keep the views and the likes. So anyways, I went through YouTube editor and I cut out about like 15 seconds. This was like at like 8 minutes and 45 seconds. And now it's down to 8:29, and there's no longer that error, that black thing that was in the original video. So how do you do this? It's very, very simple. So first thing is go to one of your videos here. Like here's a test video I just made here. It doesn't matter if it's a private, unlisted, or public, okay? So anyways, whatever views you have on there and likes is going to stay. So go ahead and open up that video. And then what you want to do is you want to go down and you want to click on enhancements. So go to your video and then you see this info and settings, enhancements here, audio. You want to go right here, enhancements. So tap on that. And then from here, now there's other things you can do in this YouTube editor as well. Okay, you can blur faces and you can do custom blurring too if you want to blur out like license plate numbers or passwords. But we're going to be talking about just about the trimming and basically cutting out parts of the video. Okay, and then we have this up here too. It says revert to original. If we made a bunch of, if we trimmed the video and did some cutouts, we can always revert back, start back over. You can save this as a new video as well, but you really don't want to do that. I mean, unless you want a completely new video. However, if we don't touch any of these, like once we do our trim and stuff like that, and we just click on save, if I hover over save, it says save video in place. So basically, this video that's already uploaded, that already has the likes and the views, is going to stay like that, but the video is going to be edited as well. Okay, anyways, so let's go ahead and do this really fast. So click on trim right here.
Testing,
and then from here,
1, 2, 3.
You
Testing.
can go ahead and you can trim the video a little bit from the beginning, a little bit from the end if you wish. And let's just say, for example purposes, let me go over here. Okay, so let me find, okay, so right about here I want to cut out 20 seconds, 0.1. So let me go ahead and split it right here, and then let me press on play again. And let's say
these are blue.
I'll stop it right here, and I also want to cut out this entire piece right here. So if I click on split right here, now we can see this between these two bars here. Okay, I want to basically remove this. Now remember, this video here is 1 minute and 12 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, and now you see the X that's on top right here. If I click on the X, it's going to go ahead and take that part out. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go to another area here. So let's say I want to go ahead and take out 3 seconds of this around here. So I'll click on split, and then it's on 34 seconds here. And let me just I'll just say, okay, I wanted to go ahead and cut this part out 37 seconds. So I'll split it again, and then from here I can go ahead and I can mark the X on here as well. Okay, so now remember, this original video is 1 minute and 12 seconds. If I click on done, this is what the video is going to look like after it's edited. So it went from 112, now it's only like 1 minute and 1 second now. So if I wanted to go ahead and start back over, I could simply just click on revert to original right here. Or I can go ahead and save this as a new video. It'll be basically a second video upload, which I don't want. But if I wanted this video to be edited, the same video that already has the views and likes, the only thing I do is simply just tap on the save here, and it says save video in place. So if I tap on this, okay, then this may take a while. It will take a while. This video, I just knocked off 12 seconds on this video here. It's only 1080p. It's probably still going to take like an hour. Some of my last video that I did the edit, I took out 15 seconds, but the video was in 4K. It literally took like 5 hours. Anyways, it says while edits are processed, users will continue to see the current version of your video. So I'll go ahead and click on save here. And now what this is going to do is going to go ahead and process. So if I go back into my video manager here, okay, it should say processing on this video on here, but it's not saying that. Let me go ahead and refresh really fast. Okay, let me just go down to here, Creator Studio Classic. Let me go to the classic layout here. Okay, so here we go. It says edit in progress. So basically, I mean that little tiny, I mean I don't know how many seconds I took out, like 12 seconds or 11 seconds. This whole edit's probably going to take at least like an hour before it's done processing. So anybody that's watching your video right now will see the original video, and then after the hour or a couple hours until it's finally processed, then they'll see the new video. Now you can see the video right here. It says 1 minute and 13 seconds here. Once everything is done, it's going to go down to like 1 minute and like 1 second. So there you go, pretty simple. And again, it doesn't matter if it's public or private or unlisted. If you guys have any questions or anything, just comment below. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.